What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Wavy and we're back again with another video, and today we're going to be installing some Powerflex goodness. So guys, stay locked and loaded and let's get straight into the video. So guys, today we will be installing the Powerflex bushes and inserts onto the GTI. Big shout out to Powerflex for supporting the build. Now, first things first, we've got the lower engine mount going on today, which is an insert. We've also got the upper engine mount, which is a 3-piece insert. And then we've got the transmission mount. Again, transmission mount is a 3-piece insert. Wishbone bushes, here you go. These ones are going on too. And on top of that, we've got the lower engine mount bush. So guys, Powerflex, big yourselves up and thanks for supporting the build again. S3 wishbones, and we've got the Super Pro anti-lift kit going on. Woo! Guys, it's gonna be a tasty, savage car once it's done. Okay guys, we're gonna start with changing the bushes or the bush on the S3 wishbones. What kind of problems can we face with doing this?
Problems we can face is bushes being seized in place, which the console bush, when it's a good bush, they can be a pain to get out. When they're worn, they're not too bad. But nothing that a bit of WD-40 and a bit of force can sort out, to be honest. Yeah. And then we go for the small bush on the wishbone, which they can be a bit of a pain, but with this kit, which is to remove and install the bushes, makes your life a million times easier. So yeah, it doesn't get too hard to do it. And yeah, that's about it, to remove and refit these bushes.
Happy days. So guys, we're gonna get cracking. So guys, yet again, we stumbled on another problem. Super Pro anti-lift kit is missing inserts. Now, I bought this second hand. I wasn't aware they came with inserts, but I should have done my research a bit more thoroughly. But yeah, these old ones are gonna have to go back on. I've got no choice. But this is a good opportunity, maybe, to just go and get the anti-lift kit direct from Powerflex. So guys, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. I might try to look for the bushes for the Super Pro kit, but yeah, what a nightmare. Let's carry on with the rest of the video. Yeah. So guys, let's do the upper engine mount and the transmission mount. Now, to do this install, we have to move the intake, the battery. We also have to move a few other bits like the charcoal canister. So let's go. Woo! So guys, once again, we ran into some problems. We couldn't install the upper and lower engine mount. That's because we received the wrong one, but we contacted the supplier and they sent us out the right one. Now with these cars, there's two variants you can get because there's two different shapes, so just be careful when you're ordering them that you order the right ones. Unfortunately for us, when we brought the car down to Star's Garage, big yourself up, we didn't get the correct ones, but they sent that out quite quickly. But unfortunately, I wasn't able to film the fitting of those in. So guys, here we have it. We've got the Powerflex inserts, upper engine mount, lower engine mount inserted. We've also got the Powerflex anti-lift kit. Earlier on, you would have seen the Super Pro anti-lift kit, but you know what guys, we decided to do the whole front end with Powerflex. This is the Black Series kit, as you already know. To be honest, I'm just learning the car. It does feel a bit different, much more stiffer. There's less engine movement as well with this actual kit that we've got on. And yeah, there's gonna be a few more videos coming up. We most probably will do the rear end as well with Powerflex kits, but I think the next video is gonna be the intercooler and most probably the balance shaft delete as well. So guys, stay locked and loaded. I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, I'm out.